All right, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a successful business person you know.
Yes, well, there are too many business persons in our country, but today I would like to talk about Sunny Ali. He is the founder and CEO of Extreme Commerce in Pakistan. Basically, I know him from the last 3 years when I attend their first
When I
seminars.
attended.
When I attended their first seminar in PC Hotel Lahore, as well as I have also seen too many YouTube videos of his
Of him.
of him, and basically he is doing e-commerce business in USA on different marketplaces. They sell multiple products in USA, and one of the best thing for his success is
He teaches people.
he teaches people in free of cost, and as well as they are offering free video boot camp for the students as well as for the people to learn how to earn money online by sitting in their home. This is the one of the special thing I like too much.
Okay, instead of special thing, you can say the word special feature, special offer.
Okay.
That will be better vocabulary.
Great.
Okay, so try to replace these words and the mistakes which I pointed out. Then you said PC hotel. It should be hotel,
Hotel.
restaurant, hotel, restaurant. So improve your pronunciation as well. Whenever you do IELTS listening, from listening part 1, try to steal some sentences and use in your IELTS speaking. These things
Okay.
will further help you and improve your pronunciation from IELTS listening.
Okay.
Okay, that's another thing. Thank you. Good job.